All right, I'm going to show you how to use this Shellbox waterproof case with your iPhone 14. It comes with a special little tool, but unfortunately I lost the tool, so I'm going to use one of these from my Apple tools. And what I do is to get it open, I just kind of slip it in there and it just pops. I kind of slip it under there, just like that. See how it's got a little edge on it? And when I do that, I just move it a little bit this way, it just pops open. Not too hard. You see that? Yeah, I'm done. And then, get this out of the way. Then what you're going to do is you're going to pull off the back housing, right? And you could clean it a little bit if you want, because it's been sitting around, just to get it, get some of the dirt off of it. And I'm going to set it down there. And then if you look inside here, you're going to see that this has a little spring where you put your camera against. And then you can, depending on the size of the camera, you can probably use Samsung's or Apple's or whatever. This you slide over and lock the phone in with. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so you've got your case open, and you've got your iPhone, and here's your camera right here, right? And so the camera is going to go facing up, and you're going to slide this right here against that, push it all the way up, set her down. Once you do that, you're going to push this over to tighten it. And now your phone's in there. And then you just take this. You got to match these up. So you got to make sure you got them right. If I put it like that, you can see how they match up there. But if I put it this way, see how it doesn't match? So you want to get it matched. Get them set in there. Good. Once you're there, then you can go ahead and go around and tighten these bad boys down, just like that. And you can see, so now it's on there. And you can see this is I can touch it, opens it up. I can go to, like I want to shoot video. I want to reverse it. I want to shoot myself. Hey, what's up? I'm recording. Hello. Stop recording. Okay, there. So that's how it works. And then if you look this way, there's where your camera is going to be shooting out of right there. And let's pop it back. And yeah, it works really well. I'm going to show you some video that I shot in the pool with this camera today. All right, let's do it. Here we go. It's a little dirty. I'm going to use this camera. Set it right there for now. And this is going to be my mask. It's got a lot of chlorine here. I don't really want to get it in my eyes. So here we go. Let's see how this works. Hopefully it'll work good. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. All right, we're rolling. All right, so in this video, I'm using the Shellbox waterproof iPhone 14 case to video this new underwater pool vacuum that I purchased. It's called an Aper cordless robotic pool cleaner, and it's kind of like a Roomba. It lasts for about 90 minutes, and what it does is it just transverses the bottom of your pool, going back and forth, and hopefully it gets every inch of it and sucks up all of the debris that's on the bottom of the pool. Our pool's outside, so I get a lot of leaves. I get a lot of stuff off the trees that ends up in the pool and on the bottom of it. And I usually have to vacuum it with a regular vacuum hose. But I'm trying this out. I just bought it off of Amazon and seeing how it works. All right, so you're all done, and you want to get your camera out of the case. Okay. So anyway, if you can swipe up if you want. Just want to get out of there. So I have this Apple tool, and I just put it in here like this. And just a little twist, just pops it open, just like that. No hard. I don't have to get too strong on it. Of course, this one now is giving me a problem. Hang on, we're gonna get it. There we go. And got two more. This one here, and one here. There we go. Yeah, and then we just pop it off. Just like that. And to get your phone out, you can just pop it like that. Bam, got your phone ready to go. Let's go ahead and open up our photos. Go here And I should have some right here. Here's some underwater photo. Yeah, that worked out really well, huh? That's a good shot. All right, let's close that out. All right, well, anyway, that's that. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.